Store credit for returns. Your store has the option to offer store credit for returns. To do this, start by pressing the Command button, then the Return button. Then either scan the receipt or enter the invoice number. If the customer does not have their receipt, you can enter 0 as the invoice number and add the items to the cart manually. When ready for checkout, as the payment type, select Store Credit. Provide the customer with the new receipt which contains the store credit. To redeem the store credit receipt, first press the Store Credit button, then either scan the store credit receipt or enter the store credit number manually. The credit balance will be deducted from the cart balance. Pay the remaining balance using the credit or another payment method, then press OK to complete the transaction. The store credit receipt's balance will now reflect the new transaction.